Right, hello again, welcome back. What I want to look at is continue to look at and examine is Sitting Gills 2357. Now, please be aware that the 2357 has now changed to the 5357. Okay, but the technical aspect of it is still the same. You still need to do health and safety. You still need to know that information and how to apply it. Okay. So all I want to look at today now is to look at health and safety and the relevant legislations that goes with it. Now, you need to keep in mind the 18th edition of the IE regs or stroke IET regulations, and be aware that we are not quite sure what changes might come about in regards to the Brexit criteria, but for now we have to work in regards to the IE regs as it stands. Okay, but be aware that there can be amendments being made to this in due course. Okay. Now here offsets the new edition of the IET regulations in 18th edition must be complied with 2019. Okay, and I've gone on to say that you must also be aware that the 2357 has now become the 5357. Okay, so again, read the information for yourselves. Now here, this just gives you the outcome as to what we hope to acquire and the knowledge we hope to impart. Okay. Now remember that health and safety is not something that just happened. It has developed over many years by experience and examining what needed to be done by those people in authority who had the finance and the inclination to try to bring about change. Now, remember, the Health and Safety at Work Act 1974 is an umbrella, and it covers many elements of health and safety. Okay? And that is the umbrella that I'm talking about. Okay? It's quite expansive. Now, if you want more information on this, just type in HSE in your search engine and it will bring up tremendous information in regards to that, like manual lifting, hazardous substances, etc., building sites, commercial and industrial environments. Okay? Keep those things in mind, because they all play a vital part in being an electrician. But remember that you are a lot more than just an electrician these days. Now look at what it says and requires as duty of the employer. Okay? Pause the video, read the information, take your time, write it out for yourselves if you need to, because somewhere along the lines you will be examined on this work, okay, especially on the online test in regards to sitting girls. Now you must answer the questions, and remember that the answer to the questions is already in the text. So look back at the text, read the information, answer the questions. It prepares you for the online test. Sorry about that, I just skipped it off. Okay, now thank you for viewing. I trust you will find this information useful. Now there's a lot more of this to come, especially in regards to health and safety. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.